I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely, man. MGK, like, listening to him, bro, you wouldn't even think he would sound like this, bro. That man.
Just looking at him, I'd be like, nah, that nigga don't rap.
It's the way that I'm feeling. It's the way that I'm feeling. Man, you already know what time it is, man. Your boy is back with another banger, man. As you see, man, we back with another MGK video, man. Y'all told us to react to this, man, from our last video that we did. I think it was MGK Till I Die. Yeah, Till I Die, man. But I didn't really know he made that song for real, but we just figured that out, man. But anyway, man, y'all told us to react to MGK Alpha Omega. Alpha Omega. And make sure you guys go ahead and do those
3 things that we love. Hit that like button, slap that notification bell for uploads to the channel, and definitely subscribe.
Yes, sir. Subscribe. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and get into this. I don't want to hold you guys up. Let's see what's popping. He look crazy as hell.
Definitely he's fine. It's a lot of blood.
Yeah, I am the Alpha Omega, black flag swanger. Fuck a driveway, I'm in airplane hangars. Me and my gang popping champagne like Vegas. For all of them days with no lights and no cable. No one can save you, my city fatal. Make it up out of it, how can they hate you? CLEVLAND's the greatest. I like this bitch, I make it look like it's Vegas. We on, motherfucker, we on. The first one to blow since bomb. Think of back when I had a backpack full of fat raps. Didn't no one wanna hear my song. Motherfucker, y'all wrong. Motherfucker, y'all wrong. Made it and I never left home. Where I'm from, enemies bust up their shells like King Cooper. Roll through these streets, come up down like Bermuda. I'm just a boy in the hood like I'm Cuba. So soon as I move that, I bought me a Ruger. You come to my house, you blow loud as a tuba. I bring no bitch in, she'll go down like a scuba. All of your shit's out of style like a scooter. Put all of your shit's in the dish like a...
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely, man. MGK, like, listening to him, bro, you wouldn't even think he would sound like this, bro. That man...
Just looking at him, I'd be like, nah, that nigga don't rap.
You know what I'm saying? But, bro, this man is talented, bro. I watched the last few videos that he been putting out during the quarantine, man. And that man been snapping some shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. He been snapping some shit.
So I'll make all of your bow like my name is Anubis. Talk out your medulla, get hit with bazookas. Bah! Bitch, I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. What? I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. If you ain't living your life, then you dead. And sleep is his cousin, so I shot my bed. Paranoia got me using these meds. Now I'm smoky as Chris on a Friday like Craig. Retract that statement, I'm stony as Fred. Evacuate when my homies get mad. You better pray to your God for a blessing before they make your world look like Armageddon. Knew I was trouble since I was 11. Ripped up my jeans and I bought me a leather. My friends saw me as a king like Coretta. My dad saw his son as a nuisance, a rebel. And my music sound like the devil. Turn that shit off or get out of my temple. Right after that, he go back to his kettle on vodka and drink it all up till he's mental. I have no issue, I am official. Let them come at me, I practice jujitsu. Only fear 2 things with 3 letters, dog. There's G-O-D, God, and my fucking initials. Doctors called up to the news to report to them what they discovered. Said I'm the first of a species that they call a real motherfucker. Kills. And I'm sorry if you get a lot of hits from all my followers. If you acknowledge us in any other way than positive, but you shouldn't be hollering and talking about Superman when you live in the metropolis. And if you follow astronomy, I'm a tourist. That means I don't give a fuck what you thought of me. I walk into an interview like a lobotomy, flipping my middle finger at everybody who watching us. Fuck that, bring the beat back. Hit a shit mentally, the body with a reset. Nah, fuck that with a key fast. Sprinkle a little bit on the quarter on my reset. Give me a minute, I took a hit. I'm trying to focus like a stigmatism. My competition, I'm addicted like the zip of my denim. They want the heat, I light them up like a cigarette. Send them, you bitch. What's your religion? I wanna know what got you seeing in a couple of seconds. I wanna see the criticism about my lyricism when I'm in your face, ripping this rhythm up like cannibalism. It's kills. Bitch, I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. What? I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha Omega, the fuck are you saying? Fuck are you saying? Fuck are you saying? I am the Alpha Omega, the fuck are you saying? Fuck are you saying? Yeah, I am the Alpha Omega, the fuck are you saying? EST
That was hard. I ain't gonna lie, that was hard.
It is. They need to put this in the club or something, cause this is hard. This is a lot of people up to.
Yeah, man. Y'all didn't know what time it is, man. Unfortunately, this video has come to an end. But, man, like I said, bro, MGK been snapping, bro. Y'all put y'all best MGK songs in the comment section below, man. You know what I'm saying? Because we definitely going to get into it, bro. You know what I'm saying? If y'all think y'all got some more artists out there besides MGK that can really snap it up, man, put them in the comment section as well, bro. Because, man, MGK, I did not expect this out of all his music, bro. I did not expect this. I did not. I'm going to be real with y'all. I did not expect this. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I'll see you in the next video, man. Peace.
Peace.